Hey guys, it's Audrey here. Today I'm doing a fishtail side braid. I'm showing you how to do a fishtail side braid easily in your own hair. I know I do a lot of hairstyles on my daughter, but I also want to bring in some hairstyles that you can be doing on your own hair as well. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when we have a new YouTube video coming out. We pop up 2 a week. We make them easy, we make them simple, we make them doable. But this one, this fishtail side braid, I love this one. Cute, boho, chic, enjoy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do this quick, easy hair tutorial, how to do a fishtail side braid from my office. It's the quietest spot in my house. Now, the first step is you need to determine where your side braid is gonna go. So what I usually do is I usually take my, the tip of my eyebrow, I just kind of like roll up and I make a part. That's just what I do. You can do whatever you do. You wanna go lower, by all means. You wanna go a little bit more to this, over this way, by all means, whatever works for you. But you're gonna isolate the hair that you're gonna do your fishtail braid with. So this is the big chunk of hair I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna put a quick elastic band in this little ponytail here. And then everything else, usually I'd clip it back, but since I'm doing a video and I really want you guys, I don't want one piece of hair to fall down or anything, I'm gonna just do a low ponytail in the back, and then I'm gonna take this hair out. Again, then I'm isolating for my how to do a fishtail side braid. So you wanna make sure your hair is nice and smooth and straight. I'm just using a basic comb. And then for the fishtail, you're gonna divide your hair into 2 sections, okay? Fishtails are honestly the easiest braids of all. You wanna make sure that the sections are about the same size. And all you're gonna do is start to take one little piece from the end of one section and put it over to the other side, just like that. See how I did that? And you just work your way through the hair, getting it to the point, this one goes right over. So you're quite literally just taking little pieces of hair and crossing them over. And I'm at the beginning of the fishtail, so you're just gonna start to see it. But it's a really, really, really easy, just basic braid that anybody can honestly do. It takes a little time, takes a little practice. You can start as high up as you want to go. I personally, I'm going to show you at the end what I like to do. I love to pin mine back with some bobby pins and fan it out. So I'm going to show you how I do it, but I hate when these tutorials are super duper long, but I really want to show you guys all the steps I'm taking for the fishtail braid, because I just can't stand sometimes when people are doing their hair tutorials and I feel like I miss something, or they go too fast, or they're editing ahead. I don't want to do any editing here. I really want to show you. I'm just taking pieces of hair. You can go as thick or as thin as you want to go. As you can tell, I like to mix it up. It just gives it a little bit of a different look. And again, you're just placing these pieces. It's just like, it's like a pattern, one over the other, one over the other, and you can go, and you're just gonna go down as long as you wanna go. Now, since I am doing a video, I'm not gonna go super duper long. I do have, as you can tell, a good fishtail that is already formed. I'm gonna go a little bit longer down because I do, like I said, I wanna bobby pin it back. The reason why you want smooth hair to begin with is so it's easy to pull these little pieces. If your hair isn't smooth to begin with and it's all, maybe has some tangles or just is not nice and smooth so you can easily pull little strands like this to cross over, it's going to be really hard to keep getting the hair where you want it to go. All right. Now I have very thick hair, so that definitely does, I keep that in mind as I'm doing my fishtail. So what I'm gonna do, since I am towards the end, I'm gonna just take a little elastic band. I'm gonna do one more quick section. All right, so I'm gonna take one, I have these cute little bands that I had gotten and I use them on my daughter's hair. I'm gonna do a little elastic band at the end. And then this is what I love to do. I'm gonna just make sure it's super secure. Now what I love to do is so I have the braid. I mean, right now it looks silly, right? It's just like smack in the middle of my head. Watch what I do. So I love to go through and just pancake it out a little bit, okay? Just make it more boho-esque. You can really see the fishtail right down. And you can see how by taking different sections of hair, it did make it look just a little bit more of that like boho look. So this is what I love to do. So I'm gonna take my hair out, put it down. Still looks kind of silly, right? So I don't know how many bobby pins it usually takes you to secure something into your hair. Usually it does take me about 2 or 3. I have one here just for the time being. And what I like to do is I like to take my little fishtail braid and I tuck it literally just right behind my ear. And I put a bobby pin in. And I usually do 2 or 3 other bobby pins too, just to make sure it really is absolutely secured into place. If you want, they actually do have bobby pins that do work with your hair. These are brown ones, so obviously you can see. But you could put a little bow or a little scrunchie or a little clip. I have tons of clips I can put into. But this is what I love to do. I love to have it just pinned back behind my ear. This is the kind of style that I could wear out to dinner. I could do errands in. It could be a girls' night. You could dress up for an occasion, maybe a wedding, maybe you're going to a gala. You really want to make, maybe you're going to wave all your other hair, but just keep this perfect, simple fishtail side braid in. I just love it. If you're looking to do another one on the other side, you could just repeat the exact same process. But I love this. Just how to do a fishtail side braid, super easy. And it's just a fun style to do on your hair or somebody else's.